Hello YouTubers, I'm back. Well, as you know, I've been busy and I've got some new stuff and I'm quite excited. And before that, let's view this. This is my desktop computer. I've got it, can't remember, like 2007. I got it about 2007. It's a Intel Core 2 dual processor with AMD graphics. It's quite old actually. Well, since I finished my internship, I've got some time, and while browsing through some new games, I found out that my processor was outdated. It was pretty disappointing, and looky what I got here. Ta-da! Well, the reason I've got only two parts is because I've replaced the previous RAM before. It's a DDR3 RAM, yeah. It's because, unfortunately, my motherboard has been fried. The first one was very bad because of my housing electrical system, and the second one, it fried the network. I think, yeah, it's the same for both motherboards. I've just replaced the previous one, but you know, the lightning struck again, and it happened. Then renovation, I had some renovation done to my house. After that, everything seems fine. Electrical is good, so I've got some little cash left, and I thought, why not, you know? It's 4 i5. I don't need overclocking because the current one I've overclocked to 3 gigahertz, sorta, and this is 3.2 gigahertz with quad-core processing power. Well, I think it's enough, and it has some turbo boost. It's made in Malaysia. It's where I'm living in. Core i5, gigabyte. I don't know. I just got the cheapest one, so gigabyte is fine. I've been using it for 8 years. Say micro ATX, blah blah blah. 2 DDR3 RAM slot, 2 channel audio, LAN, SATA. SATA 3. It's fast. USB 2.0. Unfortunately, well, I don't even use it, so it's not a problem. Well, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. So I've switched off the computer. I'm not a native English speaker, so please, I apologize if I make mistakes. So I switched off this thing. As you can see, as I said before, my motherboard local network adapter has been fried due to short circuit, and I'm using this wireless adapter currently. Well, let's take this off. You know, it's exciting when getting new computer parts. Whoa. Wow. It's really hard using one hand. Well, basically I'm going to be using the same casing because it's compatible. Why should I change, right? PSU. Wait, let's get to it later. Okay. Let's open this up. Put it in a nice place. Take this screw here. It's really exciting, you know. Never thought after 6 years, something like that, changing the processor. Ha ha ha. Okay, well, this fan was not supposed to be here, but I got it somewhere and modified it a little. It's already disconnected. So my PSU is I guess 400 watts. Well, I think that's enough for a Core i5. This is my graphics card. It's been like 2 or 3 years or more. Okay, gotta get some tools. Be right back. Hey, lucky, what you got here? A toolbox! Sorry for exaggerating. Let's get a screwdriver. Let's get something nice. No, not here. Never mind. We'll just go with this one. I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our tools set up. Now, for the grand opening, let's unscrew this thing. Bear with me. Please bear with me. We're gonna put this here. And take off the screw right here. Baby. Everything. Wow. Take off this graphics card. It's so exciting. Slowly, gently. Don't want to break it. It's the only graphics card I have. Wait. This? Oh yeah, only one. I have 2 of them. The RAM module. It's a 4 GB. Yep, exactly. Oh man, please focus. Never mind, it's 4 GB. And what should we open first? Yep. Disconnect those wires. Cables and all. No, those cables connected to the casing. This one. Yeah, one problem though. After the, what do you call that? Electro shooting thing, short circuit thing. I can't seem to remove the, what do you call that, heatsink, CPU heatsink from the motherboard. Although it's still working, but it's annoying. This, okay, now it's out. Okay, you know what? I'll open this up and get back to it later. Now. The moment we've been waiting for. Core i5 unboxing session. How do we open this thing? See, there's a seal. Security seal. Means it's still intact. Virgin. That's for sure. Nobody wants, unvirgin, right? I don't know. Whatever. Now, I've done a lot of singing, but I don't know, just couldn't sing a song without making mistakes. And my songs are always not complete. Okay, yeah, oh shoot. Okay, let's open this guy up. 4 cores, Turbo Boost 2.0, Smart Cache, integrated memory controller, DDR3 memory, 3-year limited warranty, Intel HD graphics. Wow, embedded graphics. That is good. That's so good. Whoa, dude. Look sweet. Ow. Ooh. Oh, imagine this one chip could do all the tasks you ever gotten. Open this thing up. Just put it like this. Okay, it comes off. Okay, definitely box thing. I'll be installing it later. I won't make a video though. Okay, this is the stuff. Oh, the sticker. I'm gonna put it right in front of my desktop. Crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. Later, I'll show it to you guys. Now, okay, we've got here the metal casing. Looks like a Santa tree or something. PCIe, I don't know. Figure it out later. User manual, which we might use it to installation CD, which we might use it to install the audio wires, cables, and the motherboard itself. Oh, the smell. Techie smell. Self-contained. What tape? Wait, I have to see. Ha! This guy. Come on, help me. Ta-da! Oops. Nailed it. Okay, so we have here, like I said before, okay, we have the PCIe Express 2, solid capacitors, blah blah. It has dual BIOS, DirectX 10.1. Oh crap. Oh, okay. This is for the older PCIe. Get it now. DirectX 10.1, audio slots and everything. 2 DDR3 RAM socket, and those basic stuff. 4 USBs, which is standard. 2 PS2 slots, VGA input and output, and I can't remember what it's called, parallel port or something. LAN, microphone, speakers, and 5.1, I guess. I know, I forgot most of it. Okay, I'll fix it up and show it to you guys later. Okay, ciao. Okay, so everything's in place and it has been plugged. And let's try it and let's go. Wow. It's booting up. Whoa. Okay. The fact that it's already booting because I've installed I used the same hard drive. So it should boot, and it might have some, not problem, but those are new motherboards. Maybe some sound or some issues, little ones. I'll install the drivers. That's over here. So that's it. Core i5 running smooth so far. Yep. Same old graphics card. My bad. No AMD graphics driver installed. Yeah, whatever. Okay, whatever. I'll install it later. Okay. So I guess this is using the onboard graphics from the CPU. Must be because I've connected the no. It is AMD. My bad. So it's running. The only problem is I'm using a USB, what do you call that? Keyboard and mouse, so I have to wait for a while and wait for it to install. So that is all for today, and thanks a lot for watching. Thanks to my loyal fans, friends, subscribers, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please, thank you for your support. Thank you very much. Please support me more. Keep on supporting me. Talk to me. Give me ideas to make new videos and everything. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good night. Goodbye.